All right, hello everyone, and just a quick video here to kind of let you know about something that we're going to be doing in September. On September 30th, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., I'm going to be running a Unit 3 and 4 revision lecture online. It's going to be online because it's hard to know what COVID restrictions are going to be like around then. There's going to be a link to that in the description to this video below, or if you head to the website, there's a link on the homepage. It's going to cost $20 per person, and we'll get into a little bit of what's going to be covered in that. So if you're interested in that, follow along. Here are a few things that we're going to be talking about. So what's going to be covered? We'll attempt to cover every key knowledge dot point in varying levels of detail. That will vary based on what the people who sign up for this want. There is a questionnaire when you sign up for it that will ask you what you want to be covered in the most detail. We will cover those things in as much detail as we can in that 3-hour time slot. If not, we might go for a little bit longer depending on how long people want to hang out for. There'll also be some key tips about each area of study based on VCAR exams, which will be provided. So I've got a long experience in teaching this subject now where I can tell you a lot of the tips and tricks that come with each area of study, what VCAR tends to ask, because they tend to ask fairly similar questions about each topic, and just a few key, like 1%er type tips about different factors that might benefit you on the end of your exam. So we'll spend more time on specific topics that are requested by those attending. And we'll also look at some sample questions, some potentially from the VCAR exam, some that I've made up, and exemplar responses to those questions. So you can work through those together, look at what the marking allocation would be, and what you need to do to get those full marks. And then, well, what will be in it for you other than that? So other than just the going through everything, getting it from my point of view, what I think is important and what isn't important for you to have at the end of your exam, you'll also receive a copy of all the resources used in the presentation via email before the presentation date. That's going to be mainly the PowerPoint that's used and quite possibly some summary notes as well. If time permits, there'll also be some time for questions from students about specific points at the end. So if we get through everything, I'm more than happy to hang out towards the end and answer anyone's specific questions that they have to make sure you feel as confident as you can going into that exam at the end of the year. And so that's pretty much it. So if you are interested in that, feel free to sign up at that link, which is just above me over here, or in the description below. Head to the website, runningeconomy.com, and that will all be there. If you have any other questions, either comment below or send me an email on sean@runningeconomy.com, and I can help you out with that. But I hope to see you there. I hope to be able to make a presentation that will be as helpful to you as possible. And if you have any ideas of the things that you want, just let me know, and I will make sure it is tailored to benefit you the most that it possibly can. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful night, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.